Hello guys, hope everything is fine with you. So today is a special episode. I'm in Varrazem Santa Luzia and I will teach you to count into 10 to 15 in Portuguese. So yeah, and this episode I will divide into three parts. I will teach you the numbers. That's the first part. Second part I will talk about a fadista, a song Gaivota by Amália. And the last part is about the typical game of the Viatuga. So let's go. So to count 10 to 15 is easy. So 11, 11, e tenho 11 gatos. Yes, I'm a old lady. E tenho 11 gatos. Eu tenho 12, 12. E tenho 12 raposas. E tenho 12 raposas. 13, 13. Eu tenho 13 garrafas de vinho. Eu tenho 13 garrafas de vinho. You can say 13, 13. Eu tenho 13 garrafas de vinho. 14, 14. Eu tenho 14 águas. Eu tenho 14 águas. E the last one is 15. 15. Eu tenho 15 euros na minha conta. Eu tenho 15 euros na minha conta. Now I will talk about Amália, Gaivota. I will translate the song. This time I will not put 5 random words and translate into in this video. I will translate the entire song into description or comments. And the last part is how to be a Tuga, the typical game. So I hope you have more answers right than wrong, but it's okay if you have all wrong. And that's it for today. I hope you like this episode. It's a short one, but still I hope you enjoy it. So next week, and thank you. So is this for you guys? Then you'll watch the entire video. So this is special one. I decided to record the Varrazem, Santa Luzia. And trick you. I think it's nice here. I'm moving my camera slowly for you don't be dizzy. And that's it, and I hope you like it, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to travel to Portugal, you can come here. As you see, we have a pool. So much fun, right? that's it. And you can eat here, so it's a nice day. You can. So thank you, and next week.